Okay, so now we have made these angles, but we're still a little underdefined. So I think the uh, one problem here is that this line, you see how it is horizontal? Well, this line has no such relation. So we just want to make sure it's horizontal. And now we are fully defined. Everything's locked in. There should be no other problems. So we are going to go to features and we're going to extrude this. And this time we are going to extrude it up. Sorry. Where'd it go? Oh, so we're going to extrude it this full distance up to here. So that is going to be 30. And if you use your middle mouse key, you can rotate the part and you can see that it is 30. Okay, one thing that is still a little messed up is that this actually extends down here. So the way we're going to fix it is by sketching right here. Control 8. So if you look at this part, you see how it is kind of connected and this actually extends backwards. So we're just going to draw a little rectangle there just so that it extends. And I'm locking it, I'm straight up locking it to the part. I'm going to draw on both sides. Probably could have done this at the end also, but that's fine. We're going to features and we're going to go ahead and extrude that. It is fully defined. And we wanted to just extrude the full length, so we're going to do 10. Because that's how far that distance is. Okay, you see now it looks a little bit more the same. Yep. So now what we're going to do is do the same thing over here. Put a sketch on this bottom. So, and just like we did before, the same dimensions, kind of draw it in. Ooh, it does not know that I'm trying to create a line. So, kind of draw it in, go straight to the middle, draw it here, draw it here. And then again, define it. Escape to get out of the pencil. And then define it, and it's the same as before. So we are from here to here for smart dimensioning. Sorry, that's not what I meant to do. From here to here. It is. So my lines look a little locked in. Oh, okay. I know why. Sorry. Because we locked it into these rectangles, right? So you actually don't need that 60 anymore because we kind of use the other parts that are as a guide. You still do need this part here. I think I accidentally locked this in on the midpoint. That's not something you want to do. So we're going to delete this line here. So if you're in Smart Dimension, escape, click on the relation and delete it. So weirdly, I think this is still, oh no, okay, now I can actually dimension it. So now it's 20. And you can hit escape, make this one, make these two lines equal, click one line, hold down control, and click the other line and make them equal. And what were the other dimensions? Oh yes, the angle dimension. So this line, Smart Dimension, hold down control, it's 45. And same here, 45. And again, we are fully defined. So we can go to features and we can extrude up. And it is 30 again. You see? Right. And then again, we do need that kind of connector here. So we're going to place a sketch at the bottom here. Control 8. Now, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to see. So one thing you can also do is do a section view. So the section view, if you click on it, I don't know if you saw what I just did, but up here it's a section view. Click on it, and then you just move. That way you can actually see what you're doing. So we're going to do that. Hit the green check over here. That way we know what we're doing. Now we can do a sketch here. So hit Control 8 to make it normal. And then the normal just means like 90 degrees. Like whenever something's normal to you, if you're looking straight out of paper, then the sketch is perpendicular to your view. So we're going to draw our rectangles. Our triangles. Don't know shapes. They are already fully defined because I used all of the guidelines. Going to features, extrude boss, and again we're only extruding 10. And there we go. Hit the green check, and we have what we need. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is put some slots here and here. So the way we're going to do that is by making a sketch. We're going to put the sketch here on this side. And we're going to hit Control 8. So our dimensions say that there is a slot that is 28 deep and there's 10 on each side. It's 10 thick. So we are going to, sorry, just getting a visual. We are going to just kind of draw rectangles. I'm going to start at that line there, go down, and we're going to do the same thing over here. It's just easier to draw them one time, faster. Remember, the test is timed, so you want to be as quick as possible. So, again, it is 10 deep. Oops. So we're just going to click the line, and it's 10 deep. Oops, nope, sorry. It did not know what we were clicking. So click just on the line, 10 deep. And then let's just click this, get out of Smart Dimension, click on this line, hold down Control, click on this line, and let's make them equal. Get rid of that. And then we can put a smart dimension from here at the top to here, and that is also 10. If you see here on the drawing, you really need to make sure not to just follow me, but to see if you can see what I'm seeing in the drawing. Because you're not going to have a guide on the test. You're going to have to figure everything out from the drawing. So 10, 10, 10. And then that's already 10. And still, we need to know how wide it is. I mean, like how far, yeah, wide. So I think it says 28, right? So 28 from the top. So we're going to click, we're going to do 28. And we can just make this line collinear to this line. Get out smart dimension. And there you go, we're fully defined. We're going to go this time to features, and we're going to do an extruded cut. And you see how it kind of just sits on the edge there. So the sketch is not actually on a face, but we are going to go all the way through, which is a total of 80. Might as well just put 80, just to make it all the way through. And it's going to cut straight through it. Now we have our slots. Okay, last thing we can do is put in our circles. So the first one here is a, you can use hole. It does kind of show you, this is actually a hole. You don't necessarily need to do it. That way you can just do circles, but holes are kind of predetermined. They're not my favorite things to do, but I will help you here. So when you do a hole, you use Hole Wizard. You click where you want to put it at. Sorry, no, you don't. You click what type of hole. So this is a, it has a counter bore, which is this little thing here. You see how it has, like it goes in a little bit, kind of like a screw would. So just click that. We're going to use ANSI metric. And we're going to do M30. And it is sorry, it's a little bit. Oh, head clearance. Head clearance is 10 because if it says 30 with 20 through. So oh no, sorry. Head clearance is 4. And that's on there too. It's right here. So we're gonna put it here, right in the middle. And I obviously did something wrong. So in my next video, because this one's about to end, I will show you what I did there, or how to fix it.